Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Story of My Life on piano. To begin, you will learn the 4 essential chords: C minor, A flat major, E flat major, and B flat major. These chords form the harmonic backbone of the entire song. The piece is predominantly in the key of E flat major. Focus on mastering each chord shape and practice transitioning between them smoothly. This foundational step is crucial for building your confidence and accuracy. Next, let's focus on the melody, usually played by your right hand. The melody often follows the vocal line, so listening to the song helps. Pay close attention to the rhythm, which is typically 4 steady beats per measure. Start by playing the melody very slowly, ensuring each note is accurate and the timing is precise. Gradually increase your tempo as your comfort and accuracy improve, aiming for a fluid sound. Now, let's integrate your left hand, which provides the song's harmonic foundation and baseline. For each chord, your left hand will typically play the root note, creating a strong bass. For example, for a C minor chord, play C in your left hand. You can use sustained notes or simple arpeggio patterns to add texture. This creates a rich, full sound that complements the right hand melody beautifully. Finally, it's time to bring both hands together. Start by practicing each hand independently until you feel completely comfortable with its part. When combining, begin at a very slow tempo, focusing intently on the coordination between your hands and precise timing. Do not rush this step. Consistent daily practice, even for just 15 minutes, will yield significant progress and help you master this beautiful song.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.